Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. My dear students, we are going to see in this video the lesson Taros River. Okay, and this lesson is taken from Honeysuckle English textbook for the students of class 6. Okay, now here we are going to see one of the Japanese story. Okay, this is a Japanese story, and here we will be seeing about a boy, okay, a boy who loves his parents so much, and whatever he is able to do, or he is ready to do everything for his parents because of the love of his parents. Okay, and finally he also gets a reward from the king of Japan because he loves his parents, and the king also was excited with the work that the boy does. Okay, so let us begin with the story and let us see the story in our textbook. Okay, and it is here. Before you read, let us see everybody. You can open your textbook and let us see before you read what is the instruction given here. Okay, this is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. Okay, this story is about a thoughtful. Okay, it is a thoughtful and loving son. Means this is a story we are going to learn about a son who is very thoughtful about his parents and who is loving his parents. Okay, बहुत समझ और प्यारा सा लड़का है. Okay, then he works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and gets some unexpected help. Okay, and he is working hard to fulfill all the wishes of his parents. Whatever the parents want, whatever his parents wanted, he wanted to give them. He wanted to provide them because his parents also were not. Now his parents also were not able to work because they were already old. So he wanted to fulfill all the parents' wishes and he wanted to provide everything that his parents wanted. Okay, therefore he is working hard. Therefore he is working hard and hard. Okay, and he is trying to help his parents. And all of a sudden, one day, what happens? In order to help his parents, in order to provide all the things that his parents need, he was facing one problem, and unexpectedly, all of a sudden, he is getting some help from somebody else or something else that he never expected or getting. Okay, he never expected in his life. Okay, so here, before we start reading this text, let me tell you the summary of the story. Okay, so it will be very nice for you. As we read the story, you will be able to understand it clearly. So, my dear student, here is the boy whose name is Taro. Okay, here is the boy whose name is Taro, and he is a woodcutter. Okay, who is a woodcutter? One who cuts the wood and collects the wood from the forest. Okay, from the jungle, and he sells them in the market, and he is earning some amount of money. So he was also doing the same way. Okay, he was also doing the same way, and he is living in a house, and their house is not properly mended. Okay, their house is very poor condition. उनका घर जो है बहुत पूरा मतलब उनके पास बहुत बड़ा बंगला नहीं है. Okay, they have a simple heart. Okay, simple heart they have, and they live there. So one day what happens? There was a wind. It was a winter season. There was a wind, and because of the wind, there was a hole in their heart. Okay, there was a hole in their heart. So the wind is coming. The cold wind is coming, and inside is old mother and his old father is there. Okay, so what happens? His father is feeling very cold, and his father is telling that if I could have a cup of shake. Okay, here shake is a drink. Okay, shake is a drink that Japanese specially drink that one, and when they drink, they little feel warm. Okay, for example, here we also drink tea, we drink soup, and after drinking them, we feel little warm. So in the same way in Japan also, that is shake is a drink which after drinking they feel little warm. So his father wanted to have that one because he was feeling so cold. Okay, but the little child or little boy, the Taro, had no money and he could not give his father the shake. Okay, so whatever maybe the poor boy, then later on he thought that I should be able to provide everything that my parents want. Now I am in a poor condition, I am not able to give him. what he needs. So he worked harder and harder in order to provide everything that his parents need, like shake and other things. Okay, then he's working harder and harder, harder than the other days he was working. So he's cutting more amount of foods and he's trying to sell them in the market. And one day what happens, he was feeling thirsty and he heard the sound of waterfall. Okay, where there is waterfall, then we can have a sound, different sound. Okay, as the water is falling from the above mountains. Okay, so he heard the sound of waterfall and he went near the water. Then after drinking that water, he felt like a shake. Okay, and as he is drinking the water, he is feeling as if it is not water but it is shake that his father wanted. Okay, then what he does, he brings that shake to the house. Okay, in his with him brings some amount of that water which he saw in the mountain. After drinking that, he felt like a shake and he took the water to his house. Okay, then he gave to his parents. Okay, then after his parents drank, this is a shake, and they also tasted like a shake and they drank it. So my dear students, after that what happens, there is a lady coming, okay, and who was little greedy, greedy and zealous. Okay, so he also got that water, means that shake which the boy had brought from the jungle. Okay, then after drinking that water, the lady also came to know, and Taro also told that where he had brought this water or brought this shake from. Then the lady listened to that, and still lady was a little greedy, and she thought that I will also go to that mountain, I will also go to that river from where the Taro has brought the shake. Okay, so immediately he said thanks to Taros and his family members, and he went away from there. And he spread in the village that Taro has brought some shake from the mountain, and there is a lot of shakes are there in the mountain, and everybody can go and have the shake. So everybody from the village is going, taking the big vessels, okay, big vessels and everything they are taking with them and going to the mountain where Taro had brought that shake from. Okay, then when everybody went there, the villagers taking big containers and then tasted the water or tasted that one, then they felt that it is simple water. Okay, it is a simple water, and everybody is getting angry with whom? Taro, and telling that Taro has made us full. The Taro had made us full. Okay, then everybody got angry with Taro, and Taro was there behind the rock and he was looking at the people. Okay, he was looking at the people. Then after that, what happens? The king comes to know about the love of about the Taro, how he loved his parents. Then the king of Japan called Taro and rewarded him. Okay, why he rewarded him? Because he loved his parents and he was ready to do everything for his parents. And because of that, he got unexpected help. He did not expect. Okay, उसको क्या पता था कि उसको कोई ऐसे मिराकल होगा और उसकी वजह से वो बहुत सारे सेक पाएगा अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए? क्या उसको पता था? नहीं। पर वो अनएक्सपेक्टेडली जब वो पानी पीने के लिए जाता है तो वो पानी पीता है तो उसको सेक का टेस्ट होता है, मिलता है, और वही को लेकर अपने घर में आता है और जो पीते हैं उसको शेक का ही टेस्ट आता है। पर गांव के लोग जो लालची थे वो जब जाते हैं वहीं पे शेक लेने के लिए तब उनको क्या शेक मिलता है? नहीं, सिंपल वाटर। और ये क्यों ये मिराकल हुआ था? क्योंकि तारो उसके पेरेंट्स को बहुत प्यार करता था और उनका टेक केयर करता था। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट दिस स्टोरी हियर। सो दैट इज द समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी जस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू। नाउ as we read this one, then we will be able to understand what is the exact story of this Taro. Okay, so here, my dear students, you can look at your textbook and we'll start with the paragraph 1. Okay. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. Okay. Now, a young woodcutter named Taro. Taro was a young woodcutter. Okay. He was cutting the wood. Okay. He was cutting the wood, and as I told, was cutting the wood and bringing the wood and selling them. Okay. And that was his business. Okay. Then he lived with his father and mother lonely in a hillside. In the forest, hillside में वो रहते थे. Okay, पहाड़ी जगह में वो अपने मामी पापा के साथ अकेले एक घर में रहते थे. Okay, they are living in a lonely hillside. Okay, all day long he chopped wood in the forest, and all day long, every day what he was doing, every day, all the day, okay, whole day what he was doing, what was his work? He was chopping the wood. Chop means what he said, cut into small pieces. The wood he was cutting from the forest, and that was his work every day. Okay, whole day he was doing that same work. पूरा दिन भर वही काम करता था. क्या? wood काटता था. Okay, लकड़ी काटता था. Okay, then though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. Okay, whatever maybe he's working harder and harder, and he's working very hard. होल डे, दिन भर वो लकड़ी काटता रहा, फिर भी उसको कितना एंड होता था, कितना उसको पैसे मिलते थे? बहुत थोड़ी सी पैसे मिलते थे. ओके, ही अर्न ए लिटिल मनी. ओके, देन दिस made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his all parents everything they needed. Okay, and for that only, this is what he was very sad. Why he was very sad? He was working so much, and he is working hard work he is doing, and whole day he is working and cutting the woods, but he is earning a little money, and for that only he was very sad. You can see the family, okay, their family. Here this Taro is there, and his father and his mother here. Okay, then what to do? He was very sad for that, because for he was thoughtful son and wanted to give his all parents everything they needed. Okay, alright, he was a thoughtful son, he was a loving and caring son. Okay, and he wanted all the things his parents wanted, everything that his parents wanted, that everything he wanted to provide them. And he was not able to provide them what they wanted and what his parents needed, because he was earning only a little money after working so much. Okay, पर क्या होता है यहाँ पे? वो बहुत दुखी हो जाता है, क्योंकि वो अपने मम्मी पापा की इच्छा या फिर मम्मी पापा को जो भी चाहिए वो दे नहीं सकता था, क्योंकि उसको बहुत कम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी मिलते थे. ओके, एंड उसी के कारण वो बहुत दुखी था. Then let us see second paragraph. One evening, when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow. So one day what happened in the evening? Three of them are sitting, okay, Taro and his mother and his father, they are sitting in the corner of their hut. Okay, I told you they did not have a building, they had a hut, simple house. Okay, simple house they had. Okay, so they were sitting in the corner of their hut, and what happened at that time? The strong wind began to blow. Okay, the strong wind began to blow there. Okay, and what happened? Let us see. It whistled through the cracks of the hut. It whistled through the cracks of the hut. Okay, then it whistled. Okay, the wind was so strong that it was whistling. Okay, it was whistling. Okay, here you can see whistle through. What is that? Pass through wind with a whistling sound. So when the wind blows, okay, जब तेजी से हवा बहने लगती है, तब कैसे साउंड आता है? पूरा अजीब से साउंड आता है, साउंड आती है ना. सो उसी तरह का अभी ये बहुत तेजी से हवा बहने लगी है, तो उसी तरह का साउंड आ रहा है. ओके, और यहाँ पे क्रैक्स जो है, नारो गैप्स ओपनिंग्स. ओके, तो उनके घर बहुत बुरे कंडीशन में था, उनका घर उतना अच्छा नहीं था. तो क्या है, उनके घर में जो बहुत बड़े छोटे होल्स थे, बहुत छोटे गैप्स थे. So from that gap only the wind began to enter into the house. Okay, from that gaps only whistle through the cracks. Cracks means the gaps which is there in the house, or which is there in their heart. Okay, of the heart, and everyone felt very cold. Okay, that began to whistle, began to pass through that small gaps, and everyone is feeling very cold inside the heart. सबको बहुत ठंडी लगने लगती है because of that wind which is blowing very strongly. Okay, then everybody felt very cold. What to do? Suddenly Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of shake. It would warm me and do my all heart good. Then his father, whose father? Taro's father thought, what he saying? Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of shake. Okay, Taro's father is telling that if I had a cup of shake, then I would drink that cup of shake and I would feel little warm. Okay, वही shake पीकर मुझे थोड़ा सा क्या warm लगने लगेगी. Okay, so he is wishing like that, he is telling like that. Okay, shake is a drink. Okay, it is a drink. Now it warm me and do my all heart good. और ये थोड़ा सा मुझे गर्मी देगी, थोड़ा सा warm देगी और मुझे थोड़ा सा अच्छा महसूस होने लगेगा. Okay, then let us see question. Let us see paragraph 3. This made Tharos sadder than ever for the heartwarming. Okay, for the heartwarming drinking called shake was very expensive. Okay, then what to do? Then what to do? Okay, this made Tharos sadder than ever, and this is because when his father told that I need to have a shake. Okay, and he's not able to provide because the shake was very expensive. Okay, वो shake जो था, वो drink जो था, वो बहुत महंगा था और वो थोड़ी सी पैसे में वो खरीद नहीं सकता था. ओके, और उसी की वजह से वो अपने पापा को नहीं दे पाया और उसी की वजह से क्या होता है, वो बहुत दुखी पड़ जाता है. ओके, जैसे पहले से वो तो बहुत दुखी थी, फिर भी अभी बहुत दुखी हो गया. ओके, फॉर द हार्ट वार्मिंग ड्रिंक कॉल्ड शेक वाज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. दिस इज ए हार्ट वार्मिंग मींस पूरे शरीर को गर्म कर देता है. जब उसको ड्रिंक करेंगे तो हमारा शरीर या फिर हमारा बॉडी क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा वार्म होने लगेगा. तो उसी प्रकार का ड्रिंक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है और वही शेक जो है वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत महंगा है. हाउ डू आई अर्न मनी? हाउ आई डू earn more money? Then he is thinking. Who is thinking? Taro is thinking. How do I earn more money and I can buy this expensive drink for my father and I will fulfill their wish? He is thinking, how can I do? What can I do for this? Okay, he asked himself. He is asking to himself and he is thinking in his mind. Okay, then how do I get a little shake for my poor old father? Then he is also thinking, how can I get a little shake? थोड़ा सा भी शेक मुझे अभी मिल जाता तो मैं अपने पापा को दे देता और मेरे पापा का जो इच्छा है वो मैं पूरी कर सकता था. पर कैसे मुझे मिलेंगे, कहां से मुझे मिलेंगे ये जो शेक है और मैं अपने पापा को दे सकूंगा. ओके, ही इज थिंकिंग फॉर माय पुअर फादर, मेरे बूढ़े पापा के लिए कहां से लाऊं. He decided to work harder than before. Then he decided to work harder than before. Okay, before as much work he was doing, whole day he was chopping the wood. Okay, chopping the wood, and he was earning a little amount of money. So he has to work hard in order to buy the expensive drink that was called shake. Okay, so he thought, he decided. Okay, completely he decided that I have to work hard. Okay, I have to work hard and I will buy that shake that my father wants, because he wanted to fulfill all the wishes of his parents, whatever his parents wanted. Okay, let us see next paragraph. Paragraph 4. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed early than usual and made his way to the forest. Then next morning, okay, उसके दूसरे दिन, what he did? He got up earlier than ever he was doing. Okay, उसके आगे जैसे वो उठता था, मान लो पहले क्या 6 बजे उठता था, तो आज क्या किया उन्होंने, 5 बजे ही उठ गया वो. Okay, he got up early in the morning and he went to the forest. Why he went to the forest? He has to chop the wood more and more and he will get some more amount of money and he can provide his parents whatever they need, like shake. Okay, he chopped and cut as the sun climbed, and soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. Then he chopped and cut. He chopped the wood and he cut the wood, cut the trees. Okay, and what happens? And cut as the sun climbed, and the sun rising also is there. Okay, as the sun rising there, sunrise is there, and he's feeling little warm. He's feeling little warm, and he's feeling what he's feeling. He's feeling warm, and the sweats are coming from his body, and he's just taking off his jackets. Okay, he's taking off his jackets. He's removing his jackets because he's feeling very warm there. Okay, after working so much. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweats. Okay, now his mouth was dry. उसका मुंह पूरा सूख गया अभी, क्योंकि बहुत काम कर रहा है, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है ना वो. Okay, तो उसका बॉडी पूरा, उसका शरीर पूरा पसीना से पूरा भीग गया और उसका मुंह पूरा सूख गया. अभी उसके मुंह में कुछ पानी भी नहीं, उसके पास पानी चाहिए, उसको पानी पीने प्यास लगी है. Okay, and his face was wet with sweats, और उसका फेस जो है, उसका मुंह जो है पूरा पसीना से क्या भीग गया है. Okay, sweat means पसीना. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. Okay, then he is thinking, my poor father is feeling very cold, and his father needed what? Shake. Okay, his father needed a drink that was called shake. And here he is thinking, he's remembering his father as he's working. My poor father, okay, my poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I, okay, and he's thinking that मेरा पापा जो है, मेरे बूढ़े पापा जो है, मुझे अभी जैसे वार्म हुई है, जैसे मुझे गर्मी निकल रहे, जैसे पसीने निकल रहे, तो मेरे पापा काश मेरे पापा भी वैसे ही फीलिंग करते हैं कि मेरे पापा को भी वैसे ही क्या वार्म लगता, अब उनको पसीना निकलते. ओके, अगर उसके पापा को पसीना निकलते, अगर उसके पापा को वार्म लगते, तो उसके पापा के लिए उसको इतना मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता, जिसकी वजह से कि या फिर जिसके लिए वो शेक खरीदने के लिए इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं. अगर उसके पापा ऐसे ही फीलिंग करते तो उसको शेक खरीदने के लिए इतना मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता. तो वही वो सोच रहा है कि मेरे बेचारे पापा अगर मेरे जैसे फीलिंग करते तो कितना अच्छा होता. ओके, सो and with that he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the shake to warm the old man's bones. Okay, then thinking like that, and he's chopping again faster and faster. He's cutting the wood, he's chopping the wood. Why? He's thinking about the more money. Okay, if he's cutting, he's chopping more and more wood, then he would get little extra money also, and from which he can buy the shake for his old father. Okay, so he is cutting very faster and faster than ever he was cutting. So in order to buy the shake to warm his old man's bones. Okay, इस और बूढ़े पापा का जो शरीर जो पूरा ठंडी पड़ रही है उसको वार्म करने के लिए उसको क्या चाहिए? शेक चाहिए. तो वो शेक खरीदने के लिए उसको बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ रहा है. Okay, let us see fifth paragraph. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. Then suddenly what is happening? Let us see. Taro stopped chopping. वो क्या काटना बंद कर दिया अचानक. Okay, why? What was that sound he heard? What was that sound he heard? He heard some kind of sounds. Okay, he heard some noise, and suddenly he stopped chopping. Suddenly he stopped cutting the wood. Okay. Could it possibly be rushing water? Okay, could it possibly rushing water? ये क्या हो सकता है? क्या ये झरना का साउंड हो सकता है? क्या ये rushing water का साउंड हो सकता है? What it could be? Could it be a rushing water sound that he heard? Okay, what it is? Let us see. Taro could not remember even seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. Okay. Now Taro could not remember ever seeing. Okay. Now he also did not remember, or he could not remember that he had ever seen or heard about this rushing water. और इस प्रकार का साउंड वो कभी भी सुना था, उसको वो याद हो सकता है वो पहली बार इस प्रकार का आवाज उसको सुनाई दे रहा हो. Okay. Then he was thirsty, and he was also thirsty. He wants to drink water because we saw that after cutting the wood, chopping the wood, and working so much of work, okay, he is thirsty, and his mouth are already dried. Okay, so he need water, and he was thirsty now. The axe dropped out of his hands, and he ran in the direction of the sound. Then he dropped the axe. He was having the axe as he was cutting the woods and chopping the woods. He had an axe in his hand. Then he dropped the axe. Okay, he threw the axe there itself. Okay, and he ran towards the sound he heard. Okay, then he ran towards the sound from where the sound was coming, because he was so much thirsty, and he thought that it could be the rushing water sound. ये हो सकता है झरना का साउंड है, और वहां पे जाकर मुझे थोड़ा सा पानी मिल सकता है और मेरा प्यासा मैं बुझा सकता हूँ. तो उसी के वजह से वो अपना एक्स जो था अपने हाथ में उसको ड्रॉप करके वो जहां से साउंड आ रहा है पानी का उसी तरह दौड़कर चला जाता है. Okay, my dear students, in the next video we will continue with the paragraph 6. Okay, by then we'll stop here, and for your homework you can see the words meaning. Not much difficult words are there. You can read the story completely and just find out the words meaning there. Okay, and their words meanings are already there right side the text. Okay, so you can write them in your notebook. Okay, so that is what your workbook. Okay, we'll meet again in the next video with paragraph 6.